Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the microphone on your VIVO X300 Pro smartphone isn't working properly. First of all, remove the protective case from your smartphone and grab a soft brush, any that you have around, and clean the speakers and the microphone ports carefully with it to remove any debris that could be stuck inside. Do not use any metallic tools. Do not insert any metallic tools in there. You can also use a bit harsher or a bit harder brush to remove any debris that could have been stuck inside your speakers and microphone, and then try to test your microphone in a recorder app. For example, let's just find it on the phone. Usually called, oh yeah, here it is. So now let's try to record a sample voice and see if we can hear it. Let's try to play the recording. Oh, the sound is disabled. Hear it. Okay, it seems to me that it works well. But in case you still have this kind of problem, let's go through some more troubleshooting steps. So first, try to swipe down the control center and disable your Bluetooth to make sure that your microphone isn't rerouted to some Bluetooth device that you are connected to. And also try to check for any software updates on your device. Go to system updates, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and check if your device has any updates to it. And if it does, then take your time to download and install them. And also try to boot into the safe mode by pressing the power button and volume up key. At the same time, hold your finger down on the power off option until the reboot to safe mode notification appears. Tap on OK and then wait until your device is restarted into the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, try checking your microphone quality once again. So let's open recorder, let's start a new recording, and as you can see, I can already see that the phone catches my recording, my voice very well. We can test it, and yeah, it works fine. But if using safe mode didn't change anything, you can go to system management, go to reset all settings, confirm once again, and after that, of course, all the settings will be reset except for, well, none of your phone's data will be erased, or none of your personal data will be erased. It's just the settings on your device. And so after your phone restarts, check your microphone once again using the recorder app, and if none of these troubleshooting steps helped you, then surely contact the VIVO customer support service, because there might be a hardware problem inside your smartphone, and so maybe you'll have to send your phone to them or to some specialist repair center for repair. Now I still hope that this video helped you with your issue, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.